Welcome to Decorum & Co. This is the assembly video for the Decorum & Co. student desk with shelf 1200.
This is a brief 3-minute version of the assembly video tailored for Takealot. For the full version, please visit our YouTube channel. Before you begin, you will need a Phillips screwdriver.
Please ensure you have received an instruction manual, all the required panels to assemble the desk, as well as a packet containing the necessary hardware. If you need assistance or notice any missing parts, please contact us via WhatsApp or email as shown at the beginning of this assembly video. Before beginning the assembly process, a brief demonstration of the cam and cam pin system will be shown. To assemble your furniture securely, we use a cam and cam pin system, as shown in this demonstration. This process involves the following steps. A Phillips screwdriver is needed. Place the cam into the larger hole in the panel, ensuring that the arrow on the face of the cam points toward the nearest edge. This edge contains the corresponding hole where the cam pin will be inserted. Insert the cam pin into the designated small hole and screw it in firmly using a Phillips screwdriver. When connecting panels, align the cam pin with the corresponding cam hole. Once the cam pin is inserted into a hole containing a cam, use a screwdriver to turn the cam clockwise until it locks securely in place. This locks the panels together, creating a strong and stable connection. If disassembly is needed, simply rotate the cam counterclockwise to unlock and separate the panels. Additionally, wooden dowels are included for extra support.
To begin and complete assembly of the student desk, refer to your instruction manual to identify the hardware components required for each panel and the sequence in which the panels are assembled together.
Tighten all cams securely using your Phillips screwdriver to ensure the table is stable and sturdy upon completion. Your Decorum & Co. student desk with shelf 1200 is now complete. For care and use, wipe with a soft, dry cloth or a lightly dampened one and avoid harsh cleaners or excessive moisture to prevent damage. For any further assistance, feel free to reach out to us via WhatsApp or email.